In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set continuous picture list in Excel. If you need a clean, visual way to present items with images and short descriptions, like a product lineup, a team roster, or a step-by-step showcase, the continuous picture list in SmartArt is perfect. It keeps your pictures aligned, pairs them with clear text, and stays easy to update as your content grows. Start in your workbook and make sure you're on the sheet where you want the list to appear. Go to the ribbon at the top and click Insert. This is the home for charts, illustrations, and, in our case, SmartArt graphics. Next, click SmartArt. A window called Choose a SmartArt Graphic will open, showing categories on the left and layouts on the right. In that window, click Picture in the Category panel. This filters the gallery to layouts designed to combine images and text in a structured way. From the picture layouts, click Continuous Picture List, then confirm to insert it into your sheet. You'll see a formatted list with picture placeholders and text fields that snap into alignment automatically, so you don't have to wrestle with manual spacing. Now add a picture and text. Click the picture icon inside the first placeholder. You can pick an image from your computer, use stock images, or search online pictures, depending on what's available in your version of Excel. Once inserted, the graphic scales to fit. If needed, use the built-in crop or size handles so all images feel consistent. Then select the text area beside the picture and type a clear title and a short description. Keep headlines concise and use a consistent writing style for a polished look. If you prefer a structured editor, open the text pane and type there. The list updates instantly as you write. As you populate the list, you can drag the SmartArt border to resize the whole graphic, and Excel will maintain the layout. Use the SmartArt Design and Format tabs to apply a color theme or a style that matches your workbook. Consistent image aspect ratios, like all square or all 4:3, will prevent awkward cropping. That's all it takes. Click Insert, click SmartArt, click Picture, choose Continuous Picture List, then add your picture and text. With a few clicks, you get a professional, continuous list that's easy to maintain and looks great in reports and dashboards.